Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto egg loaf muffins. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 4 eggs and you want those at room temperature. 4 ounces of cream cheese, which I have in my NutriBullet here, also at room temperature. 4 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. A teaspoon of cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of some kind of granulated sweetener substitute. I'm using monk fruit, of course. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you need a half a cup of, I'm using vanilla whey protein powder. And then you also need, for the streusel topping, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want that chilled, so I'm going to put that back in the refrigerator. A teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of your sugar substitute. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and then we're going to spray our muffin tin with cooking spray. In a NutriBullet or blender, you're going to combine our eggs, cream cheese, butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of your sugar substitute, and your vanilla extract. And we're just going to beat that until it's well combined. That looks great. You want it to be kind of foamy like that, so it takes about a minute. Now we're just going to pour this mixture evenly in between our 2 cupcake or muffin tin liners. Now we're going to get these into our preheated oven for 10 minutes. While the egg loaf muffins are baking, you want to go ahead and work on your streusel topping. So in a bowl, I have my protein powder, my cinnamon, my monk fruit, and the 2 tablespoons of chilled butter, and I'm just going to use my fingertips to combine all of that until it's nice and crumbly. The streusel topping is all ready to go, and my muffins just came out of the oven after the first 10 minutes, so we're just going to sprinkle these evenly on top of the muffins and put them back in for an additional 10 minutes. Let's get these back in the oven for 10 more minutes. The reason you want to cook them 10 minutes first and then add your streusel is because you don't want it all to sink to the bottom. My muffins just came out of the oven and they are kind of poofy, but they will go back down as they cool. So we're going to let these cool off and then we'll see what they taste like. I moved my muffins to a cooling rack to cool completely, and let me just tell you, they taste amazing. They taste like cinnamon French toast. And according to my calculations, they're less than 1.5 carbs per muffin. So that's awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.